Hello everyone, it's Shirley. Today we're making a rich, silky, no-bake vegan chocolate strawberry tart. Simple, elegant, and perfect for any special occasion. No oven, no eggs, no dairy, gluten-free crust, silky chocolate ganache, and it looks like this. Start by preparing the chocolate crust. In a bowl, combine almond flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Add maple syrup and melted coconut oil. Then mix until it forms a soft dough. The mixture should hold together when pressed. If it feels too dry, add a teaspoon of maple syrup. Press the crust evenly into your tart pan, making sure to go slightly up the sides. Use the back of a spoon or your fingers to smooth it out. Press firmly. This helps the crust hold its shape when slicing. Simple, right? And it's gluten-free. Chill the crust while we prepare the ganache. We'll need coconut milk. Make sure to use full-fat coconut milk. It needs to be thick so the ganache sets properly and has a rich, creamy texture. Microwave in a glass measuring cup for 45 to 60 seconds until hot but not boiling. Chop the chocolate small so it melts evenly. Pour coconut milk over chocolate. Let it sit for a minute. Then stir slowly from the center outward. Stir slowly until smooth and glossy. If you see any lumps, just keep stirring. The heat from the coconut milk will get them. Add maple syrup. Add vanilla extract, and for a deeper chocolate flavor, instant coffee or espresso powder. Pour the ganache into the chilled crust while it's still slightly warm and fluid. Let the tart chill until the ganache is fully set. Prepare your strawberries by slicing them in half. Arrange them on top of the tart in a circular pattern, and there you have it, a smooth, rich chocolate tart topped with fresh, vibrant strawberries. When ready to serve, slice with a warm knife for clean, beautiful cuts. Simple, elegant, and completely vegan. Enjoy. If you make this, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Subscribe for more vegan recipes every week, and I'll see you in the next one.